Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we re-diving into a topic that many of you have requested: healthy dinner recipes for weight loss. We all know how important balanced, nutritious meals are for shedding those extra pounds and achieving our fitness goals. That SYIV put together the 6 best healthy dinner recipes for weight loss in 2025. And trust me, these recipes are not just good for your waistline, they're also incredibly delicious and simple to make. So let's get started. Before we dive into the recipes, I have a small request. Please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all our health and wellness content. Alright, let's get to the first recipe. Starting off our list is a Mediterranean quinoa bowl. This dish is not only visually appealing, it's packed with nutrients and fiber, making it a perfect choice for a satisfying and healthy dinner. To make this, start by cooking quinoa according to package instructions. While it's cooking, chop up cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, and bell peppers. Once the quinoa is cooked, add it to a bowl, along with the chopped vegetables, a can of chickpeas, and a protein of your choice. Grilled chicken, shrimp, or tofu work well. For the dressing, mix together lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and oregano. Pour the dressing over the bowl and enjoy. Next up is a lemon garlic butter shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. This recipe is a fantastic low-carb, high-protein option that's both flavorful and filling. Start by cooking zucchini noodles. You can use a spiralizer or simply cut the zucchini into long, thin strips. Sauté garlic and butter until fragrant, then add shrimp and cook until pink and opaque. Toss in some lemon juice and zest and season with salt and pepper. Serve the shrimp scampi over the zucchini noodles and garnish with parsley. Moving on, we have a black bean and sweet potato burrito bowl. This vegetarian dish is rich in fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, making it a great choice for a balanced meal. To make this, cook rice according to package instructions. In a separate pan, sauté onions, garlic, and spices. Add black beans and sweet potato, and continue cooking until the sweet potato is tender. Once everything is cooked, assemble your burrito bowls with lettuce, beans, salsa, Greek yogurt, or avocado for a protein-packed meal. Now let's turn our attention to a creamy Tuscan chicken skillet. This recipe is a true crowd pleaser, and it's easy to see why. It's made with chicken breast, cherry tomatoes, spinach, and a creamy Tuscan sauce, all served over a bed of spaghetti squash. The dish is loaded with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. The next recipe is a lentil and vegetable curry. This dish is not only packed with fiber and protein, but it's also incredibly flavorful, thanks to the aromatic spices and coconut milk. To make this, start by sautéing onions, garlic, and spices. Add lentils and vegetable broth and bring to a boil. Once the lentils are almost cooked, stir in your favorite vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and green beans. Continue cooking until the vegetables are tender, and then stir in coconut milk and simmer until the curry is thickened. Serve with brown rice or naan bread for a complete meal. Last, but certainly not least, we have a baked salmon with roasted vegetables. This recipe is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and antioxidants. Preheat your oven and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Place salmon fillets and your choice of vegetables, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and carrots, on the baking sheet. Drizzle everything with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and bake. And there you have it, 6 fantastic healthy dinner recipes for weight loss in 2025. Remember, a balanced diet combined with regular exercise is key to achieving your weight loss goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, eat smart, and you'll be on your way to success. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.